I'm Steve Frank, and I'm from Ojai, California, and I have a 2021 Integra Esteem 27U. When I was a kid, my parents had a travel trailer. We did all of our vacations that way, and I was raised doing that, and I've done it all my life with my kids. I really enjoy the RV lifestyle in terms of the freedom that it gives. I like the logistics of planning a trip, cooking outside, going places maybe that other people don't go. This is the first motorized RV I've had, and I really am enjoying it. I'm enjoying just driving it and then being able to pull into a campsite, and it's pretty well set up from that point. On the Class C's, you end up dragging your rear end way too much. Getting into my driveway, it would drag. Going into gas stations, it would drag. It would drag everywhere, and it just drove me crazy. There's a lot of pressure on you when you know you're going to be having to manipulate where you're driving. So that kind of started my quest of what can I do to improve that. I had a couple of modifications done that just weren't cutting it, so I got looking on the internet, YouTube, and found Jeremy on YouTube. And once you get sucked into his YouTube channel, it's a rabbit hole. And just those videos showed me what could be done, and it was really exactly what I was looking for. So the rest is history, they say. I would caution you this one thing. You have to be prepared to be stopped all the time and asked about your rig when you do this. When we were in Alaska, I was probably stopped at least every day. We stopped counting at about 60. My wife got tired of people coming up to the coach and asking about it, and it was great. It's been great. From the very beginning, the experience has been good. The team here is just stellar. They all are concerned about whether or not you are getting what you need, and I'm down here today getting a couple of things looked at. They've jumped on it, got it done, no problems, and I can't ask for anything more. This is what service is about, and WeldTec does a great job at it. If you're on the fence about it, you need to get off the fence, because I have found nothing negative about doing it. It's a well thought out plan. It's well executed. The team is super to deal with. When I was thinking about it, they answered all my questions. You watch all the videos. Jeremy's good at explaining things. So if you're on the fence, I'd get off.